Your car isn't failing, it's being choked by design. I'm a mechanic with 20 years on the floor, and I can prove your engine is delivering up to 40% less power than it's capable of. I recently charged a customer $1,200 for a simple fix that a 30-second procedure could have totally prevented. I'm finished watching manufacturers silently drain billions from drivers. It's time to pull back the curtain. I'm revealing 17 buried factory secrets, engineering compromises intentionally left in your vehicle to safeguard corporate profits and centralize control over performance. Stick around until the end. The single most important maintenance trick costs just $12, takes 5 minutes, and is the reason my own truck sailed past 387,000 miles without a single major mechanical failure. Let's begin the countdown.
17. The electronic throttle recalibration. Modern vehicles employ sophisticated electronic throttle control, where a computer manages the throttle plate opening based on your driving style. Over time, your ECU develops learned habits. Soft starts, gentle acceleration, and low RPM cruising become the default. The computer never forgets these learned habits, even after a tune-up. You're left with a sluggish car that drives like it's perpetually scared of the gas pedal. Dealerships exploit this, charging $150 for a simple recalibration. The free hack? With the key in the on position, engine off, press the accelerator to the floor for 10 seconds. Turn the key off, release the pedal, then wait another 10 seconds before starting. This wipes the learned data, forcing a fresh ECU relearn. I used this on a Camry last week. The owner reported it feels 20% faster. It's a trick manufacturers won't advertise because it exposes how often their cars run below potential right off the lot.
16. Intake valves carbon control. Pop the hood of any car over 30,000 miles and inspect the throttle body or intake manifold. You'll likely find a black, sticky carbon coating from oil vapor and fuel residue. This buildup starves your engine. Last month, a dealer quoted a customer $347 for this cleaning. You can do it for $8 in 15 minutes using CRC Intake Valve Cleaner or Seafoam. Run the engine until warm, then spray the cleaner directly into the intake while holding the RPM around 2,000. The ensuing smoke is years of carbon burning off. The result? A smoother idle, stronger pull, and real-world fuel economy gains. One customer's Accord saw a 3 mpg increase, a saving of over $400 a year.
(15) MAF sensor clarity. The mass airflow MAF sensor is the fuel system's brain, measuring incoming air to dictate the fuel mix. Microscopic dust coats the sensor wire over time, causing it to underread, making the engine run rich, wasting gas and fouling plugs. Replacing it costs $120 to $200. The illegal shortcut? Don't replace it, clean it. Gently spray the sensor with dedicated MAF cleaner, never brake cleaner, let it air dry for 10 minutes and reinstall. The difference is instant: stronger mid-range pull and smoother idle. An SUV getting 14 mpg jumped to 18 mpg after this $8 fix. Many techs clean these secretly before billing you for a replacement.
14. The Airbox Restrictor Bypass. Your airbox is not designed for peak performance. It's engineered to meet noise and emission standards. This means it often contains resonators and narrow ducts that choke airflow. The illegal move? Drill a few small holes on the cold side of the airbox before the filter to allow additional cool air. Cooler, denser air equals better combustion and sharper throttle response. A Civic owner gained 2 mpg and smoother acceleration from just 3 half-inch holes hidden under the lid. Cost? 5 minutes and a drill bit. 13. Spark plug gapping precision. Every spark plug is pre-gapped, but in 20 years, I've never seen a factory plug perfectly adjusted. Even a few thousandths of an inch off can destroy fuel efficiency. The mechanic's secret? Set the gap slightly tighter than the factory spec, about 0.02 of an inch less. This strengthens the spark under load, improving throttle response and idle stability. A customer's rough idling Mazda 3 instantly smoothed out, and fuel economy rose by a full mpg, a $200 dealer tune-up for free. 12. Ignition coil pros compatibility. While ignition coils are engine-specific, many share mounts and connectors across brands. Performance enthusiasts often discover that slightly higher output coils from compatible models can be swapped in, delivering a 10 to 15% stronger, more stable spark. A Maxima owner gained a noticeable bump in torque and smoother power delivery with this simple $60 salvage yard swap, avoiding a $400 bill for OEM coils. 11. The oxygen sensor restoration. O2 sensors regulate the air-fuel mix based on exhaust gases. Carbon buildup slows their response over time, causing your engine to run rich, wasting gas. Instead of the typical $280 replacement every 100,000 miles, pull the sensors and soak the tips overnight in gasoline or sensor-safe cleaner. This restores sensor accuracy, improving mileage and eliminating hesitation.
10. Injector carbon burn-off. Fuel injectors are precision nozzles. Varnish gradually coats their tips, changing the fine mist to an inefficient dribble, leading to rough idle and slower acceleration. The shop secret? Bypass the tank. Disconnect the fuel line at the rail and run the engine on a container of straight injector cleaning solution for 5 minutes. Then let it soak for 10. This method dissolves the posits directly. When you restart, it will smoke, then smooth out instantly, a precise cleaning process that service rigs charge hundreds for. 9. The fuel filter bypass. Dealerships often claim the fuel filter is sealed for life, meaning until the warranty expires and the $1,000 fuel pump fails from clog-induced strain. The hack? Install an external inline fuel filter between the tank and the engine bay. This gives you visibility. You can see when the fuel gets dirty and allows for a $6 5-minute replacement instead of a full tank disassembly.
8. Transmission partial drain. Ask a dealer about flushing transmission fluid and they'll likely say sealed for life. I've replaced 46 transmissions that died immediately post-warranty. The illegal workaround: do a partial drain and refill, replacing about a third of the fluid every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Over 3 changes, you've replaced almost all the fluid, keeping the system clean without the risk of a full flush shock. A slipping Civic was saved from a $3,800 rebuild after 3 partial refills, costing only $120 total.
7. Water decarbonization. It sounds like a myth, pouring water into a running engine. But when done correctly, a fine mist of water introduced into the intake flashes instantly to steam in the hot combustion chamber. The rapid expansion of steam acts as a micro sandblaster, blasting stubborn carbon deposits off piston crowns and valves. The result is a quieter, smoother idling engine. Warning: this is high risk. Too much water causes hydrolock, leading to a $4,000 rebuild. Key: a fine mist, a steady throttle, and patience.
6. PCV system filtering. A sticky positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) valve allows oil vapors to flood the intake, causing sluggish throttle and carbon buildup. Instead of replacing it, mechanics install a small inline fuel filter in the PCV hose to trap the oil mist before it reaches the intake. This $3 60-second fix is a backyard version of the $150 catch can system, keeping the engine breathing clean. 5. Catalytic converter rejuvenation. Over time, the catalytic converter builds restriction from carbon and ash, robbing power and fuel economy. Replacing a cat can cost $800 plus. The cheap fix? Add half a can of lacquer thinner to half a tank of gas. Drive for 30 minutes at highway speed. The solvent burns through deposits, restoring flow. It's a non-manufacturer-approved chemical cleaning process that can make stubborn check engine lights vanish.
4. The ECU forced relearn. After disconnecting the battery or replacing sensors, the ECU must relearn its settings, often causing a few days of rough running. To force a perfect relearn, after reconnecting the battery, turn the key to on, engine off, for 10 seconds. Start the car and let it idle untouched for 15 minutes.
no gas pedal, no AC. This steady state allows the ECU to perfectly recalibrate air-fuel ratios and idle timing.
3. Timing advance, premium fuel reset. Factory engine tuning is conservative to tolerate low-quality fuel. On modern cars, running 2 or 3 full tanks of 91 plus octane and resetting the ECU forces the computer to sense knock-free operation and gradually advance the timing automatically. The result is sharper acceleration and a silkier pull.
2. Throttle response pedal remap. Modern cars have intentional pedal lag. The cheap manual override? After the ECU relearn, disconnect the battery again, press the gas pedal to the floor 10 times in succession, reconnect and start. This resyncs the pedal voltage mapping, tightening throttle sensitivity. The car feels lighter and more alert because the response lag is gone.
The oil additive factor. Manufacturers discourage adding anything to modern oil. Independent mechanics disagree. A high molybdenum friction modifier, like Liquimoly or ZDP, coats metal surfaces, reducing friction and lowering temperature. Engines treated this way often idle quieter and maintain pressure longer. My own high-mileage Corolla went from rattling to whisper quiet after a single treatment. The final secret. Longevity's true master key. You just learned 17 tricks costing less than $100 total that prevent over $5,000 in repairs. I've personally used these exact methods on over 3,000 cars with 0 comebacks. But here is the ultimate truth. There is one maintenance ritual that surpasses all 17 combined. Something so simple you can do it monthly, yet so powerful it can literally double your engine's lifespan. I'm talking about the single $12 secret that is the genuine reason my personal truck has gone 387,000 miles without a single major repair. You need to know this. Would you like me to provide the details on the $12 monthly maintenance trick that dramatically increases engine life?